Hi, I'm Alan Hilsbeck Jr., registered interior designer and certified master kitchen and bath designer. Today we are going to explore architectural drawings, drawing a building to scale. Now, in drawing a building to scale, of course we cannot draw to real scale, because if we did, there's really not a piece of paper large enough. So what we need to do is there's several different ways of drawing a building to scale. If you're using hand drafting, then we would want to use an actual architectural scale. There are several different scales, as you can see, on this architectural scale. The main ones used in drawing a building are either 1/8 of an inch or 1/4 of an inch. It depends on your size of paper and the size of your building. Now, if you're using a CAD program, you actually are not drawing to a specific scale. You plot to scale, but you're drawing in real space. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to establish your outside corners of your building. The measurements for these come from your job site field measurements. Once you have the outside corners of your building established, you're simply going to fill in with the walls, doors, and windows on the exterior. Usually I like to start in a corner and work clockwise around the building. Next, you're going to establish the interior walls of your building. In order to continue drawing your building to scale, in CAD you would use the offset command in order to establish the distance between 2 points. In manual drafting, you would use your scale. On an architectural scale, the feet are represented on the scale. So for instance, 4 feet would be equal to 1/2 of an inch in reality. So remember, if you're drawing using a computer-aided program, you're drawing in real space, and the key to drawing to scale is using the offset key. If you're drawing by hand, the key is using your architectural scale. So until next time, this is Alan Hilsbeck Jr., registered interior designer and certified master kitchen and bath designer from Hilsbeck Design Associates. Have a great day.